Okay, open the door, Seth. Come over here. Just help me. I can see him, I think. Is he going to close it again?
Yeah, he's on.
Done it.
Here we go. Closing it. Oh, yeah, there we go. Closing it.
No, open it back up.
He's on the door.
Oh.
There we go. Now we can close it.
Now, no, open it up, Seth. See if he'll close it again.
Dude, quit opening it. Close it. Come on. What the fuck?
Tell me if he closes it.
He slammed in against the gate and opened it.
You going to close it again, Bobbie? Bobbie, close the door.
Come on. Yay. Come on.
Seth, talk your normal voice. Close the door, Bobbie.
Hey, come on. Yeah, close it.
Open it back up, Seth.
Come on now. Stop opening it. Stop opening it.
Close the door, Bobbie.
Bobbie.
Seth, be quiet for a second, please. Close the door, Bobbie.
Get away. I'm gonna chip on my bed too.
Do I got him?
Why is this here?
But he's moving a little. There, he's coming back now.
Okay,
Close the door, Bobbie.
oh, I'm on it now. Oh, hi, Sethy. Hi. Hi. Oh, no, I'm just gonna scare him.
Is he going to close the door again?
He's on Daddy.
Where'd he go?
He's on.
Oh,
Come on, Bobby.
there he is. Bobbie, you move faster than I can move the camera, buddy. Seth, let him stay out there for a second, honey.
He's trying to determine whether he wants to climb on the Seth's shoulder or just hang there.
You just going to hang
on
there,
the
Bobbie?
branch.
Bobby.
Bobbie, what's up?
Come on, Bobby.
He's so beautiful.
Come on, Bobby. Come on. Come on. Come on, man.
That ain't like the other shoulder I'm used to. Here you go. Come on. Come on.
Here I go. Come on. Let me try.
There you go. He's on my shoulder.
Seth, come back here, please, and help me out. I got him. Right there.
You gonna pull my whiskers?
Oh, you wanna hiss at me?
No, leave him. If he hisses, that means he doesn't want you to mess with him.
He's kissing on me.
Kisses.
How
tell
dare you.
him kisses.
Kisses. Kisses. Oh.
No, he's doing it.
Now he's trying to tongue my ear.
Help me out. Don't touch the screen. Just keep it on Bobbie. And try to keep it as still as you can, honey, okay?
When he comes on my shoulder,
Well, you want back up there?
Just follow Bobbie with the camera, Sophie. Back up in your
Climb
purse.
back up on the...
There he is.
see if you.
Yeah,
Oh,
he likes that door because it swings, and he can climb
playing
on
with
top.
it.
And
he's like, come on.
I'm going to get him a swing for his cage.
He's like, ooh. Oh, yeah. No, he's just looking at it. He's looking at the phone. He's like, what the heck?
Are you getting good good video of him? Cool.
Yeah. Oh, let me get on. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Now you close it.
Nope. Keep it. Now open it and see if he'll close it again. Tell him close the door.
Close the door. Oh, he's on it.
He's going to ride the door.
Close the door, Bobby.
While he's on top of it, move it very slowly. Just a little back and forth. See if he stays there. Oh, where'd he go?
Oh, yeah.
climb back down onto the branch.
Oh, there he
Come on,
is.
Bobby.
He climbs on top of the cage and then uses
Come on,
the
Bobby.
door to climb down to the branch.
Come on.
Yeah.
Yay, he's on
He
me.
went on the Sethy's
Ah,
shoulder.
here. Can you hold, one of you hold the camera?
Yep.
Thank you. He's on my shoulder. Hey, Bobby.
Hi, Bobbie.
Hey, Bobby. He's like, ooh. Come on, my bubble upset there.
This is Sexy Bobbie, our cockatiel parrot. He's 8 months old. He'll be 1 in September.
He's a good birdie.
He's so cool. I'm going to get him a
Oh,
swing.
he's giving you kisses.
Aww.
Kissy kissy.
Tell him kiss and then make the kiss noise.
Oh, Yeah, baby. Ah.
I'm gonna pierce your ear now.
I think I lost him
I'm
again.
getting used to it.
I got him.
I'm
There he
getting
is.
used to it.
Bobby, say hi to your fans.
I always chewing on my hair. Yeah, my hair's. Ah! Ow, you little brat.
He pulled one of my hairs out the top of my head. What are you doing over there, Bobby, on that boy?
You think I can walk with him?
Bobby, no, just leave him by the cage for now. This is the first time he's been out. Stay close to his house.
Aw.
Oh,
He is loving all
you
over
little
it.
brat.
I tried to pierce his ear.
You little brat. Little brat. Give me kisses and. Ah!
He's just nibbling that ear.
You like me, don't you, Bobby? Yes, you do.
He's so cool.
Oh, you give me new
See if he'll go back up on his.
Ah, you little brat. Hey, hey, ah. Hey, don't you dare.
Bobby,
Get him, Bobbie.
Bobby, are you necking him with Bug? What are you doing over there? Where'd he go? Oh, I still see him.
After them fingers now.
Come on. Ah, you tickle. Come on, buddy. Hi, you little brat. Come on.
Baby.
Come on.
Here, got him.
Still got him? Okay.
Ah. Ah, it tickles. Oh, man, I'm so used to this now.
See if he'll go back on the cage now, baby.
Here, let me get him.
I stuck my hand over there.
Tell him
I
step
figured
up.
he was going to try to bite on me. Hell no. He put his head down for me to love
Yep,
on him.
he loves this. Oh, I can't find him. There he is. He loves his head scratched.
He wants to stay on. You're like, come on, man. I was having
Are
fun.
you alright?
He loves his head scratched.
Mom, I put my finger
I
up
lost him, babe.
He's with me now. Fixing to climb back up on the cage.
Mom, he was nibbling
Come
on
here,
my
honey.
finger, and I'm fine with it.
Come here.
Straight to the cage. He loves that cage.
Do I have it good?
Yeah.
Try not to wiggle it too much, honey, so people can actually see him.
Come on.
Oh, he loves his cage.
Yeah, Mom, feel on my shoulder right?
Yeah, I know,
He
honey.
was right there.
I know, baby. I seen him on the camera.
Little brat trying to nibble on my ear.
Oh,
I want
he
to
said no.
I want to tape
Love
him a
me.
little bit playing if he wants to play, honey.
He says, love me.
Just
Aw.
love me.
I want to see if we can go on my hand again.
No, I want him to play in his cage for a little
Okay.
bit so I can tape him on his cage.
He's such a handsome parrot. Yes, he is.
Hey, his head
Got
upside
his
down.
head upside down.
All the way.
On it.
All the
You
way.
got him on that camera, right, bud?
Yeah.
All right. There you
That's so cool.
go. He loves it.
He's just looking at the camera like, hey.
He's such a lover.
Don't get close, he says.
Oh, why?
Stay back a little bit.
Right.
Okay. Let's see if he'll play a little bit.
you go.
What time is it?
I'm not sure. Time for me to grab that fruit, I know that.
There is the sexy bird of the hour, Bobbie.
Let's see if you can nibble at my ear.
Okay, Seth. Back up, please. I want to see if he'll play so I can catch him on the camera playing. Hey, Bobbie, what you doing?
He made it so puppy.
Did you just fluff yourself? Make yourself all sexy, Bobbie? Sexy Bobbie.
Hey, I want to go on your shoulder, man. Come on. Bring that hand up.
There you
Can you put it over by me? I still got one over there. Okay, well,
He's looking at me like, come on, man. Put that
go.
hand
Don't
up.
put him back.
Bobbie, bow to your fans, Bobbie. Yeah, Seth, come back here and help me tape Dad putting him back, or see if I can get him to go back. I'm not sure.
Can I see if I can?
I'm gonna post it. See?
Can I see? If I can.
No, not this time. Where'd he go? Can you help me keep him on here, please?
He's right there.
We're gonna put him back in his cage now.
He's nibbling on Daddy.
Can you come here and help me, please?
Nibbling on his beard.
Are you gonna
Kisses.
put him in there? Tell him go home.
Good, go home.
Tell him get in his space.
Say
Actually,
no.
that's what I'm gonna say.
It's like, no.
Tell him,
I wanna stay up here,
time to
man.
get in your space.
Come on.
It's like, leave me
Come here,
alone.
Sethy.
Time to get in your space.
You're like, leave me alone, man.
Get in your space, Bobbie.
Like, no.
Yeah, come on, buddy. Get in your space.
No. I will fight
Shh,
you.
Sethy, please.
He's trying to get me to rub his head, no?
Yeah. Rub his head while you're putting him in his space. Sethy, you looking through here and helping me?
Come on. Up.
In your space.
Up. Alright. Time to get in your space.
In your space. In your space,
He's
Bobbie.
like, no. I'm at the door.
In your space. In your space.
No.
Not above it.
Seth, would you please come here and help me with this? Do I have him?
Yeah, he's in there.
Good. Tell him, good boy.
Good boy.
Good boy, Bobbie, in your space.
Good boy.
Good job. Okay, in that little container right there is treats. Give him a treat. It's the short one on the other side of the big one. Just pick one treat and bring it to him. Tell him, good boy.
Good boy. Here you go.
Where's he at?
Here you go.
Do I have him, honey?
Here you go. That.
He just dropped it.
Uh-oh. Here, Seth. Try to get his treat. You might have to pull the tray out to get it now. I just cleaned that today, too. Okay, tape Dad giving him his treat. Hush up, guys.
There we go. Now it's in his bowl.
It's in your bowl, buddy.
Show it to him.
You see it?
There's your treat. Good boy, Bobbie. You did good.
You did go, Bobbie.
Is that secure?
Yeah.
Okay, Sethy.
Here you go.
Time to end the hit the end video.
Bye, guys.
Thank you, everybody, for watching. We
Stop
weren't live,
recording
but it's okay.
button.
Just throw it back.
He just
Double tap to activate.
Well, Bobbie, thank you for watching, guys.
we weren't live,
Stop
Sethy.
recording.